Hey everybody, it's Mark with Cheese Bees. It is Saturday, November 5th. You can tell it's November because the leaves are still here. Unseasonably warm day. I've been waiting for a good day like this. It is like 82 degrees. They're flying. I mean, check them out. They're all going all over the place. Afternoon, some orientation fights happening over here. So anyway, probably one of the last posts I'll do about bees this year, or physical bees. I am putting on my candy boards, which 8 pounds of sugar, a cup and a half, cup and 3/4 of water. Just mixed it all up, just kind of made it, like kind of like sand. Just made some homemade boards. They've got queen excluders in there so the bees can get up there. But then I'm going to put on top of it is my quilt board. All this stuff's homemade. You can buy it all. I made some when I first started, so I just made a few more as opposed to buying them. So pretty much what I'm going to do is pop off the feeders, take off the inner cover here, put this right up here, and then that way I can clean up my feeders, have them all ready for spring, get all these girls some extra stuff for the winter. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Putting candy boards on, quilt boards. Man, beautiful day, huh? Somebody's out doing leaves. It ain't me. Haha. Well, not yet.